Breaking news, June 3, 2025, Fangak, Juba. Residents in parts of Jonglei State's Fangak County fled renewed airstrikes on Monday, worsening an already dire humanitarian crisis amid escalating tensions in the region. The bombings, reportedly carried out by the South Sudan People's Defense Forces SSPDF with Ugandan military support, targeted both New Fangak and Old Fangak, according to local sources. Fangak, recently declared a hostile area by the Juba government, has long been a stronghold of opposition forces loyal to detained First Vice President Riek Machar. Lony Gatluak, a resident of Weimuon, told Radio Tamazuj on Tuesday that civilians, including women and children, scattered into nearby swamps and bushes for safety. 3 helicopter gunships hovered over us and bombed New and Old Fangak before moving toward Pigi County, Gatluak said. Many people were injured, but we don't yet know the number of casualties. Another resident, who identified himself only as Gunner, described living in psychological stress as aircraft circled overhead. "We appeal for peace and for this war to stop," he said. Pao Mai, spokesperson for Machar's SPLMIO faction, condemned the attacks as a violation of international law, alleging the use of chemical bombs and accusing the government of blocking humanitarian aid. This genocidal campaign is exposing displaced populations to starvation and disease, Mai said in a statement. He claimed humanitarian agencies were being barred from delivering food to conflict-affected areas. Government officials did not immediately respond to requests for comment. The airstrikes mark a continuation of recent bombardments in the Upper Nile region, where civilians have repeatedly been forced into hiding. The United Nations has warned of deteriorating conditions, with aid access severely restricted.